Let's dive into competitor analysis. This is a comprehensive approach to analyzing competitor websites through technical assessment, user experience evaluation, and performance metrics. We'll be looking at what makes their sites tick and how they perform. Now, let's discuss the methodology we use for competitor analysis. This is divided into two parts: data collection and analysis framework. Under data collection, first we identify direct and indirect competitors through market research. Secondly, we gather technical specifications and performance metrics of competitors' websites. Finally, we document user interface patterns and content strategy being followed by the competitors. Under analysis framework, first we evaluate technical implementation and architecture. Secondly, we analyze user experience and interface design patterns of competitor websites. And finally, we benchmark performance and optimization strategies. Now, let's explore the technical stack analysis. Here's an example stack detection response in the form of JSON. The framework is React, the backend is Node.js, the database is MongoDB, and the hosting is AWS. Key indicators in HTTP headers, meta tags, and script signatures reveal the technology stack used by competitors. Here are the analysis tools for stack detection: Wapalizer, Chrome DevTools, API analyzers, and performance profiling tools. Let's move on to performance benchmarking. We'll start with Core Web Vitals. These are essential metrics for measuring user experience. LCP, or largest contentful paint, is 2.5 seconds. FID, or first input delay, is 100 milliseconds. CLS, or cumulative layout shift, is 0.1. And FCP, or first contentful paint, is 1.8 seconds. Now let's do performance comparison against these metrics. Page load is 85%. Time to interactive is 92%. Resource loading is 78%. And cache efficiency is 88%. Now let's talk about user experience analysis. We'll break it down into user journey map and design patterns. The user journey map has 4 steps: landing, browse, engage, and convert. First step is landing, which is initial page load and hero section. The second step is browse, which is all about navigation and content discovery. Third step is engage. This includes interactive elements and forms. The last step is convert, that is call to action completion. Now let's explore common design patterns found on competitor websites. The first one is grid layout. It is responsive card-based content organization. Second pattern is navigation. This includes intuitive menu structure and wayfinding. The last one is forms, which is progressive disclosure and data collection. Now let's dive into accessibility and responsive design. Here are the accessibility scores. ARIA labels score is 95%, color contrast is 92%, keyboard navigation is 88%, and screen reader compatibility is 90%. Here's an example accessibility implementation. For.nav item, the area label is navigation item, role is menu item, and tab index is 0. Now let's talk about responsive breakpoints. First one is desktop, that is for 1200 pixels and above. Second is tablet, that is from 768 pixels to 1199 pixels. And last one is mobile, that is below 768 pixels. Let's move on to content strategy analysis. First, we will explore the content distribution across various content types. Blog has 35%, products 25%, services 20%, resources 15%, and other content types have 5%. Here's the content update frequency. Blog is updated weekly, products monthly, and resources quarterly. Now let's explore SEO implementation, including meta tags, internal linking, and URL structure. Example meta tag is name equals description and content equals triple-d. Let's talk about performance and engagement metrics. We'll explore user engagement trends and conversion funnel. The average session duration is 3.5 minutes. Pages per visit are 4.2. The return rate is 42%. And the interaction time is 1.8 seconds. We will compare these values quarterly. Moving on to conversion funnel. On page views, we have 100,000 visitors or 100% of the traffic. For product views, we have 45,000 viewers or 45% of the traffic. For add to cart, we have 15,000 items, that is 15% of the traffic. And finally, purchases are 7,500 conversions, or 7.5% of the traffic. Now let's delve into security and optimization analysis. We'll explore security implementation and optimization metrics. The SSL rating is a plus and the security score is 98%. Some security measures being implemented are HTTPS Everywhere implementation, content security policy, and XSS protection headers. Some of the optimization metrics include asset compression at 95%, cache policy at 88%, image optimization at 92%, and code minification at 97%. Here are the example security headers implementation. Strict transport security max age equals 315.36000, X content type options is NOSNF, and X frame options is same-origin. Finally, let's wrap up with key findings and recommendations. Let's discuss some of the competitive advantages. Superior load times with a 97% optimization score, and efficient resource management. Robust security measures with an A+ SSL rating and comprehensive protection. Intuitive navigation with 4.2 pages per visit and high engagement rates. Moving on to strategic recommendations, adopt modern frameworks and optimize build processes for better performance. Increase blog content frequency and implement structured data markup. Implement personalized user journeys and enhance the conversion funnel. Focus on implementing progressive web app features, enhancing mobile responsiveness, and optimizing the conversion funnel to improve overall user experience and engagement metrics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.